Take a look at the 2018 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.